viewers and subscribers, welcome. So today, we want to talk about the Canadian farm work program. Do you guys think the program is important to we as Jamaican working in Canada on the farm? I want to welcome each and everyone who is watching this channel. It's my pleasure to say, nice to have you. Today, I want to jump in at the face at the Canadian Farm Work Program. What do you guys think about this program? So many people said this is slavery. The employers are not treating you guys right. What do you guys think? I need you guys' opinion on this. So just leave your opinion in the comment section. For me personal, it's a good program, you know. Yeah man, the program pave a platform for me where most time I just get up and I just look back at life and I just have to smile and give God thanks. Sometimes you better you rejoice than get up and complain. It would be wicked if me complain, even though we face a lot. Yeah man, we face a lot. We get a lot of bad treatment. But we get to understand life journey is not an easy journey. Nothing no come easy in life. If you want good, your nose have to run like river. All because of this program, I could have able to put a roof over my head and make my family happy. Because I come from down one part there where me would have never wished that on nobody. Would have never wished that journey upon nobody. I used to live under one roof where when it's rain, I don't know the difference between inside and outside. Water travel through the house like a river. So this was my rescue. The Canadian Farm Work Program was my rescue. This was the program that rescued me from poverty. People used to look down upon me. Not just me alone, me, my brother and my sister them and other people in my village who grew up just like me. People used to look down upon me one type of way. But while I grew up in the village, I get to understand life. I get to understand saying, never you laugh at someone downfall. You never know what tomorrow will bring. Or the ending of the day. You never know what it would turn out to be. Never too late for a shower or rain. We know they also to bash the program. Slavery, yes. You know, go hide that from you. Them say Jamaican government sell us out to a foreign country to work. Them say again why Jamaican government start a farming program in Jamaica and pay us to work. What do you guys think? You think it's worth it? Sometimes the people who attack, they would never ever dare, even if they can, they would never give you a helping hand. Not even to take up a glass of water, put to your head. So why when we are doing something positive for ourselves, it became a problem to you guys. Why? Okay, me love fishing. Fishing is what I love. Spear fishing. Fishing overall. Pot fishing, boat fishing, net fishing. Fishing is what I love. Alright. I want to take myself from this program. All of what I can just get up and buy me one boat. Yeah, buy me one boat. I want to step away from this slavery. I'm tired of it. I don't want to be here no more. You just buy me one boat. Make up and buy me one boat and make me go do some fishing. And some other people in Jamaica, they will get job. Because I go bring maybe 4 youth around me. Make them get job. At least them can pick up on 6,000 each day. If you go help me retrieve the fish pot them. Yeah, me tired of that program, yeah. And if anybody when near you know, want to know if you travel on that program, yeah, I don't have a problem with them. I want to help them. Want to help them do something, just ask them what them like different from traveling on the program. And in any way you can help them, just help them. I think me sound reasonable. Very reasonable. It's slavery. The employers do not treat us well. So many comments keep coming, and I think each time I get those comments, whoever sent them, I think they need me to reply. This program has been around before me. Since 2014, traveling on the program has really done a lot for me. You know, the program gives me a roof over my head. Also, the kids can be able to grow up in a better home than how I grow up. Traveling on the program, I get to elevate myself one way where I just have to say God is the greatest, you know. And I just give God praise. I never know some other day so in Canada here today. The way how me grow up, first I want to send out respect to the person them who articulate this move so me could have able to there right here so today. If them watch this, them are gonna know say them me attack. But me not gonna come call nobody name, but I want to give a maximum respect to Dayton Campbell. He was my MP at the time. Yes, them say I sell it to a foreign country, but we leave that question unanswered. Yeah. For me, I see where it can be better. Most definitely, program can be a better program. The treatment need to be 100% up and peak, 100% and peak. The treatment that we receive, but I think that I come from the government of Canada. Them have a lot to do with that, because if you, the government of Canada, come and set out and say A, and A we mean it have to be A. Because sometimes some things will take place, will spill out in our face. We big enough and we have sense and know say some of them things could have never undone from the government of Canada. So we know say no for a while I take place on the program, no for them a bandulu. But them have a saying to say half of the story have never been told, and we also need to take responsibility. Like me say, half of the story have never been told. Enough time we get the chance to speak and we play dumb. We need to take responsibility. We are the ones who made the program be what it is today. We need to take full responsibility of that. So many times, Service Canada come along on the farms, do them interview, do them this, do them that. We are the ones who hide things away from them. Even when we know there's some things that is going on is not right, we choose not to let them know. So sometimes when the people them come and give us the backlash, we deserve the backlash. Program enough time, Mr. Youth company program, and me get to realize them not come prepared. They not come with a plan, you know. Them just come because I come sake. You know. Some of them come maybe because I plane ride. Based on how we see them operate, you know. Because them come during cherry season and them here say cherry last for 6 weeks. So them come, them see the cherry, them see the apple. So what them start do? Them start work when them feel like. Them no come and try to grab the cherry with them 2 hands. Them a grab it with 2 fingers. 2 fingers them a grab it with like this, you know. Maybe if they may even grab it with them 1 hand, it wouldn't bother not so bad. So when it come down to the end in a cherry season now and them realize them name them on flight list, that's the time when them really understand the whole process of how you have to operate. Because them come, no expect them did I go back home after the cherry finish, you know. And remember during cherry season you work when you feel like, so how you expect you go get a stay back with pick apple when you never push out and show interest in cherry season. So how you are go get stay back with pick apple. So some of the youth them willing to learn, you know. Yeah, I can remember we side potential, you know, about 3 youth this year, and we just, me and a few more youth, we just have them and guide them, and them receive the knowledge, and them they hear right up until today a pick apple, you know. And next time you see some of them will make you know straight say them alone coming at them passport. You know, some of them will go as far as ask if you are the boss. And make you know say you is just a worker like them. But them not really get the understanding of what you are trying to get in a them tip brain, you know. And when reality hit them, that time it's too late. That time them up on a flight maybe all tomorrow or 2 days time, you know. That's the time them want you to help them. When it's too late, 2025 done and dusted, gone for the season. No more employer not take up no more farm worker for pick apple. Cause cherry season out of the way. Now apple time we are reap apple now, and we in the last variety. Yeah man, we there a reap ambrosia now. So me just want to tell the youth them, when you know I come here on the program, please me I beg you, come prepared. And if you know I watch that video here, you can go back to the channel and watch the previous video them when me do. Yeah, man, me a beg you to come prepare, Jamaicans. Cause me no like this when the youth them come and fail. And the youth them never does fail because I work or no can't work. Uno fail because at that you no tell yourself say. You know? Enough youth me say come here, man, and like me say in a previous video, from them get the first paycheck, that is it for them. That is it for them. After out of the fortnight, some of them you check, some of them only work 5 and 6 days. And them same wanna look forward for a phone call. Expect say them will get a request to come back. Oh, you go get a request when you never perform not even say 40%. So me just want the man them for just come prepared. I know say it's just for a little short time. I know forever, I know for 10 years. It's just with 6 weeks or 6 months, 7 months. You know, you just work and make a little something put in your pocket and go back home. I just want to say, I hope this message reach someone's ears. Someone who is willing to just grab the opportunity and make the best use of it. I like to see my black brothers them succeed. I don't like to say no black youth, nobody at all fail. The whole of we is a winner. I saw me see it in my book. You can only fail if you allow yourself to fail. Nobody can make you fail, only you can fail yourself. That is my belief. The next thing, I nah go come here so come tell you no say, it is an easy road. I don't want easy road. Rough. Whereas if you come from a home where you're used to your nice and clean home, it not go easy for you. You have to just condition your mind for live in a one room with 15 and 20 man. And you have to condition your mind for live in a one room with some stink foot man, some man where go carry them stinking shoes in the room. You have to condition your mind for live in a one house with some nasty man. Some man we no want clean the house none tall. Not even them wanna plate with them use, them no want wash. You have to just condition your mind for your environment like that. And know say stay in your own lane, mind your own business. See I'm blind, ear and deaf. Me nah go come here so come tell you say it's a easy road. The road is rough. I want a rough and rocky road. Farm work. You know, easy. And you have to just condition your mind for when boss talk to. You just say, yes, boss. But you know, so you only say that if you just get him off of your back because you come here for one aim and if you just make some money. So no boss, no worker, nobody can distract you because you don't condition your mind by watching that video here. One of the problem enough man have on the program, especially during cherry season, is the early morning get up. You know, easy. The early morning something there, rough. Cause normally cherry start pick 5:30 in the morning. Some farmers them like to pick the cherry as early as possible. Try to beat the sun. Yeah. So by the time the sun rise, they can accumulate in more than enough fruit we can run the packing. Yeah. For instance, you start 5:30. You have some of the orchard them like 1 hour to 1 hour and a half away from home. So in order to reach, to get the 5:30 start, you have to get up from like say 2:30, 3 o'clock. If you left out say like 3:30. so you can reach. Cause you're not going to expect the driver go 1,000 miles per hour. No. So you want just normal speed. So you know you leave out from 3:30, you reach, you get your 5:30 start. That's one of the wickedest thing, at the early morning, something that during the cherry season. That beat enough of the man them and them play lazy. You have enough man who wake up early. Cause you have man who have experience, 10, 12 year experience tonight. So them is like that thing that early morning something there in them. So from the reach 2:30, them are go wake. And from them wake and them say, yo, you have a bridging and bridging they will wake you up. But some of the man them when man wake them up, they not wake. Adjust them tell themselves so them now get up. Them alright, yeah man. Me work 6 days already, boy. Tomorrow the same thing. So the early morning something there. I want wicked. Thing. The viewers and subscribers, wherever you are supporting from, just want to say continue stay tuned to the channel. Yeah.